Future tense, simple continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Future tense. The future tense is used to express an action that is likely to take place in future. We know that will, shall, and going to are used to express actions in future tense. Simple future tense. Will and shall is used with verbs in the simple future tense to express an action which will take place in future. Example, people will support the fight against corruption. To express planned or intended action in future. Example, I will pick up my friend in the afternoon. To refer to a general statement about the future. Example, the Sensex will crumble down as the oil prices are rising. We use going to for suggesting an intention or decision that was made earlier to do something in the near future. Example, the teacher is going to distribute chocolates on the occasion of Children's Day. Sohan is going to shift to Agra next week. We also use going to form to predict a future action when there is clear indication that it will happen. Example, the baby is going to catch cold because it is not wearing a cap. Will is used when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. Examples, I will have a glass of orange juice. She will lie down for some time as she is tired. To express something that will definitely happen, something that cannot be changed, something over which we do not have any control. Examples, the scheme will be launched next month. The buses will not ply tomorrow due to strike. To express the views of the speaker. Examples, I will consult a specialist for my eye problem. I will not go for a walk as it is very humid. To offer to do something. Examples, I will make a cup of coffee for the guests. I will pay your telephone bill. To request somebody to do something. Example, will you bring my bag, please? To promise to do something. Example, I will bring a golf set for you. These days, shall is mainly used to ask questions, to give suggestions, or to make offers. Example, shall I lay the table for dinner? Offer. Shall we take the children to the circus this Sunday? Suggestion. Shall we leave now? Question. Future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to indicate an action that will be going on in future. Example, she will be joining a coaching center for tuitions. To refer to a pre-scheduled future plan. Example, the manager will be meeting the new clients on Monday. To refer to a longer, ongoing future action interrupted by another, shorter future action. Example, Sohan will be studying when you reach home. Form of future continuous tense. Form of future continuous tense is will plus ing form of the verb. Examples, he will be visiting you soon. Manu will be reaching here in a short while from now. Simple present and simple future tense. Read the sentences given here. The IPL match begins tomorrow. The group leaves for Jaipur next week. In these sentences, the simple present tense is used to express future events which are already planned and scheduled to take place. The simple present tense is often used for this purpose. Examples, the sports meet begins next month. The conference starts after an hour. Present continuous tense also indicates future actions. Read the sentences given here. Dinesh is joining office next month. He is reaching Dubai next week. Sometimes we use the present continuous tense to express an action which will happen in future, and the speaker knows that an arrangement has already been made and it is planned. When we use going to, there is an intention to do an action, but there is no arrangement or plan. Example, she is going to join us soon. Intention, she is going to make a phone call. Intention, she is joining us soon. Arrangement, he is arriving here in the evening. Arrangement. Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to indicate an action which will be completed before a certain time in future. Examples, I shall have left before you return from office. They will have finished serving food by the time you reach the restaurant. Form of future perfect tense. Form of future perfect tense is will have plus past participle form of the verb. Examples, he will have prepared his speech by Tuesday. She will have written the letter by evening. The baby will have gone to sleep by evening. Future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is used to refer to a long action before a particular time in future. Example, the choir will have been singing for an hour before the play starts, to refer to an action that will begin at a particular time in future and will continue beyond that time. Example, Sneha will have been sleeping for 2 hours by the time the maid reaches the house. Form of future perfect continuous tense. Form of future perfect continuous tense is will have been plus in form of the verb. Examples, they will have been sleeping for 1 hour by 8 o'clock. She will have been talking to her neighbor for 30 minutes by 6 o'clock. He will have been cycling for about an hour by the time the sun sets. The negative structure of a sentence in the simple future tense is formed when we write subject plus shall not plus form of main verb. Example, he shall not, will not, play today. He subject plus shall not plus form of main verb, play. The negative of the future continuous tense is formed when we write subject plus shall not, will not, plus be, plus in form of main verb. Examples, Reena, subject, plus will not be participating in the sports day function. Negative of future continuous tense. Reena, subject, plus will not, plus be, plus form of main verb. Manoj, subject, plus shall not, plus be, plus playing, form of main verb, in the evening. The negative of the future perfect tense is subject plus will not have plus past participle form of main verb. Example, the boy, subject plus will not, plus have plus left, form of main verb, by evening. The boy will not have left by evening. Negative future perfect tense. The interrogative of the simple future tense is won't, will, plus subject, plus form of main verb. Example, won't you study now? Won't, plus subject, plus form of main verb. The interrogative form of the future continuous tense is will, won't, plus subject, plus be, plus in form of main verb. Example, won't Rithik be attending class tomorrow? The interrogative form of future past tense is will, won't, plus subject plus have plus past participle form of main verb. Example: will Vinay have eaten his breakfast by then?